Okay guys, we are on top of Grey Mare Falls in Carclough. So can you see the waterfall? Let me show it to you. So we hiked from Bush Willow. It's like a 14-kilometer loop. And we came to the top. So we don't have a drone, but I'm using my Insta360. And where I'm standing, a few years ago, a 5-year-old kid, I think, fell off this cliff over here. So you got to take a lot of precaution because it can be dangerous. So we're kind of halfway done with our hike. And you can continue it to Mount Gilboa, which is that mountain there, the second highest peak of the Midlands. See, it says here, in loving memory of Rowan Dales, short-lived, long-loved. Here's Huffy Puffy. Hey, darling. We used our Northridge carrier. It's like 550 meters of elevation gain. Very green at the moment. As you can see, it's summertime. And there's 2 hikes you can do. You can hike to the bottom of Grey Mare Falls. We did the top. And now we're going to make our way back. So I think this hike is probably better to do in summer. It's just more beautiful.